Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets with drop-down list. Let's begin. Example: click the 2 and the 3 cells. Go to Data tab, Data Validations, add rules. Drop down from a range. Select your range. Click OK. Again, click E tab, press Ctrl V. I already copied to this formula. Change something. See this D on, type D2. Press enter. Again apply the same process. Change D3. Type D3. That's it. Press enter. And see this result here. Select two column E and F. Go to data insert tab. Chart and change chart type and pie chart. Customize pie chart slice level, percentage value, change the text color, okay, then change the list name and automatically change chart graphs. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.